In this guide, I'll show you how to cancel your Google Drive storage subscription. So all you need to do is head over to google.com and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Then we're going to click on our profile icon in the top right hand side, select Manage Your Account, and from the left come down to Payments and Subscriptions. Scroll down once again until you come to the Subscriptions tab. And then from here, we're just going to select Manage Subscriptions. Here you'll find all of the subscriptions that you have with Google. So just select Google One from the list. So as you can see, I'm currently paying £2.49 a month for 200 gigabytes of storage. So to cancel this, we just scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Cancel Subscription. Select why you want to cancel or just press Decline to answer and hit Continue. And as you can see, you'll have your additional storage up until the expiry date. And then from this date here, it will be cancelled. So go ahead and press Cancel Subscription. And congratulations, you have now successfully cancelled your subscription. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.